Manufacturing for the global market isn't just about making a great product. It's about making it at the right price. But here is the problem. Between raw materials, fuel, energy, and manpower, your manufacturing costs are already high. Now add import duties and GST on top of your raw materials, and suddenly your price isn't competitive anymore. You're essentially exporting your taxes along with your products. What if I told you that you could import your raw materials completely duty-free and GST-free? Hi everyone, I'm Neha from Unique Group, one of the leading consultants for trade and DGFT matters. Today we are breaking down a game changer for exporters, the Advance Authorization Scheme. This scheme was launched with one prime motto: export products, not duties. This is a duty exemption scheme found in Chapter 4 of the Foreign Trade Policy. It allows you to import raw materials that are physically incorporated into your export product without paying customs duty. This includes raw materials and components, fuel and oil, energy and catalysts, even packaging materials. Whether you are a manufacturer exporter or a merchant exporter with a supporting manufacturer, you are eligible. You might be wondering, how does the government know exactly how much I need to import? The answer is SION, Standard Input-Output Norms. Let's look at a classic industrial example: the manufacture of a 210-liter HDPE drum. To export one standard HDPE drum, the SION norms typically allow you to import 8.5 kg to 9 kg HDPE granules, high-density polyethylene, 0.2 kg blue master batch for that distinct industrial color, 0.05 kg UV stabilizers to prevent the plastic from degrading in sunlight, 2 units zinc-plated steel bungs or closures for the drum openings. As you can see, SION doesn't just look at the plastic, it looks at every single physical component. It even accounts for the flash or trim waste that happens during the blow molding process. But what if your drum has a unique specification or a special lining that isn't covered by standard norms? Don't worry, you can still apply on a self-declaration basis under Para 4.07. You get your license, start your production, and we help you fix the ad hoc norms with the government later. Now, with great benefits come certain obligations. To keep your license valid, you must meet two main obligations. 1. Value addition. Your final export value, FOB, must be at least 15% higher than the value of the materials you imported, CIF. 2. Timelines. You must import your materials within 12 months and complete your exports within 18 months from the date the license was issued. Failure to meet these means paying back those saved duties with interest, so tracking your dates is vital. Here is a step-by-step stages of the Advance Authorization Scheme. 1. Calculate. Use SION to find your required quantities. 2. Apply. Submit your application to the DGFT. 3. Register. Register the license at your customs port and execute a bank guarantee. 4. Import. Bring in your materials and start production. 5. Export. Ship your finished goods within 18 months. 6. Redeem. Submit your shipping bills and EBRCs to the DGFT for redemption. 7. Close. Cancel your customs bond and release your bank guarantee. All that paperwork might seem overwhelming, but that is exactly why Unique Group is here. We handle the entire process for you from start to finish. We don't just get you the license, we take care of the technical studies, all the documentation, regular follow-ups with the DGFT, and the final bond cancellations at customs. We have already helped hundreds of manufacturers cut their costs and grow their business globally. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share it with a fellow entrepreneur, and subscribe to the Unique Group channel for more trade insights.